Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In this video session, I am going to provide you multiple choice question of chapter number 6. And at the end of the session, I will give you two challenges questions that you have to provide the answers in my comment. Let's start the session. Question number 1 is, what does responsible computer use include? Using dartboard, avoiding E-strain, ethical and safe behavior, speeding up processing. The correct option is ethical and safe behavior. That is option C. Question number 2. Which is a responsible use of hardware? Dropping devices, avoiding overheating, overcharging battery, installing cracked softwares. Responsible use of hardware means to avoiding overheating. The correct option is B, that is avoiding overheating. A secure password should use your name, be short and simple, include letters, numbers and symbols, be reused across sites. The correct option is include letters, numbers and symbols, that is option C. Question number 4. Safe digital platform use means clicking unknown links, posting all personal data, following platform guidelines, downloading anything. The correct option is following platform guidelines. That is option C. Which law protects user privacy? The Right to Post Act, Data Protection Acts, Cyber Commerce Act, Digital Gaming Law. The correct option is Data Protection Act. That is option B. Question number 6. Intellectual property includes gadgets, office furniture, creative digital content, and password. The correct option is intellectual property include creative digital content. That is option C. Which of the following is an example of computing innovation? Typewriter, smartphones, fax machine, and vinyl records. The correct option is smartphones. That is option B. Question number 8. Innovation in computing leads to increased hardware size, slow data processing, enhanced efficiency, reduced storage. The correct option is enhanced efficiency. That is option C. Question number 9. Malware stands for machine learning tool, malicious software, manual alert system, marketing software. The correct option is malicious software. A common form of malware is PowerPoint, spreadsheet, virus, Google Docs. Virus is a common form of malware. That is option C. Question number 11. Spyware is used to speed up performance, record user activities secretly, clean junk file, update the system. Record user activities secretly. That is option B. A firewall helps transfer files faster, prevent unauthorized access, heat up the device, display more pixel. The correct option is prevent unauthorized access. That is option B. Which of these is a trade-off in security and usability? Long password versus ease of login, background color, app size, animation speed. The correct option is long password versus ease of login. Question number 14. Disinformation means data compression, reliable news, deliberately false information, or encryption. The correct option is deliberately false information. That is option C. Question number 15. Fake news is often spread through antivirus, using word processors, social media, device settings. The correct option is social media. Fake news is often spread through social media. That is option C. A social network is used for installing software, personal and professional interaction, deleting spam, running macros. The correct option is personal and professional interaction. That is option B. Question number 17. A major risk of social media is saving document, spreading viruses, privacy loss, or better sleep. The correct option is privacy loss. Major risk of social media is privacy loss. Question number 18. Social platform often collect DNA data, internet service provider detail, personal user information, projector resolution. The correct option is personal user information. That is option C. Question number 19. One positive effect of computing is online scam, digital communication, e-waste, or fake identities. The correct option is digital communication. That is option B. A negative impact of computing is easy learning, collaboration, distraction and dependency, quick calculation. The correct option is distraction and dependency. That is option C. A balanced computing effect approach includes avoiding all tech, using multiple accounts, reasonable digital habits, posting frequently. The correct option is responsible digital habits. That is option C. Question number 22. Copyright protects means what? Hardware cost, internet access, original work, IP address. The correct option is original work. Copyright protects means original work. Question number 23. Which is a violation of IP rights? Purchasing a software, viewing open content, pirating media, using public images with credit. Pirating media. The correct option is pirating media. That is option C. Question number 24. Creative Commons license is used to hide content, restrict use always, share with some rights, encrypt files. The correct option is share with some rights. That is option C. Question number 25th. What does plagiarism involve? Plagiarism means copy, to copy from some other sources. Creating means copying without credit, installing plugins, editing blogs. The correct option is copying without credit. That is option B. Question number 26. Intellectual property refers to brain power, rights to ideas and creation, legal housing rights, software updates. The correct option is rights to ideas and creations. That is option B. So these are the answer keys. You can refer the answer key to check the answers of the above questions that I have provided you. So these are the challenging questions as I'm giving you at the end of each session. Please write the answer of these questions in the comment. Challenging question number 1 is, how can the spread of disinformation through social media be reduced effectively? Option A is by disabling Wi-Fi access, B by encouraging anonymous posting, by prompting digital literacy and fact checking, by increasing screen brightness. Which one is the correct option? Please write in the comment. Second challenge question is, why is balancing security and usability a major concern in digital environments? Option A is strong security makes systems slower. Option B is easier systems are always more secure. Third option is users prefer systems with no passwords. Option D is stronger security can reduce convenience and access. Which one is the correct option? Please write me in comment, and please share my video with your friends and subscribe channel and be connected with me